What's the meaning of asymmetrically? Asymmetrically. Asymmetrically.
Asymmetrically. Asymmetrically. Asymmetrically refers to something that is not symmetrical or balanced. It implies a lack of uniformity or proportion between two or more things. For example, an asymmetrical object may have different shapes or sizes on either side. In the context of design or aesthetics, asymmetry is often used to create interest or tension. Asymmetry can also refer to unequal distribution or allocation, such as in political power or wealth. Overall, the term asymmetrically suggests a departure from the norm or a deliberate deviation from balance in order to achieve a desired effect.